Get ready to discover the future of precision and performance with 20 new Wera tools you need to see in 2026. Known for bold design and smart engineering, Wera continues to redefine professional hand tools. From upgraded screwdrivers to innovative fastening solutions, these latest releases are built to boost efficiency, comfort, and accuracy for pros and DIY ears alike. Wera 600 4 Joker VDE 4 The Wera 6004 Joker VDE 4. Set 1 is a premium 4-piece set of VDE insulated, self-setting open-end spanners with a ratchet function, designed for safe electrical work up to 1000 volts. Each tool automatically adjusts to a wide range of metric and imperial fastener sizes, eliminating the need for multiple wrenches. With VDE certification and individual testing at 10,000 volts, the set ensures maximum safety in live environments. The ratcheting jaws and low return angle provide fast, secure turning in tight spaces, while ergonomic insulated handles offer comfort and grip. Wera Kraftform Kompakt Divdesmit RAR. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 20 RA-R is a compact 7-piece ratcheting screwdriver set, including a handle/holder and 6 bi-torsion bits. Its fine-toothed ratchet offers fast screwdriving even in tight spaces, with a quick switch ring for clockwise, counterclockwise, or neutral positions. The telescopic blade extends for full-size use or retracts for confined areas, and features a Rapidaptor quick-release chuck for easy one-handed bit changes. The ergonomic handle houses a built-in bit magazine for secure storage, and the color-coded Take It Easy tool finder makes bit selection fast and simple. Wera Tools Click Torque Lock. The Wera Click Torque Lock series is a major 2026 upgrade in torque wrench technology, designed to work as both a precision torque tool and a standard ratchet. Its standout feature is the torque lock function, which disables the torque mechanism, allowing safe loosening of stuck bolts without harming the tool. This dual functionality reduces the need for multiple tools on site. With audible and tactile clicks, high precision, plus or minus 3% or plus or minus 4%. And a fine-toothed reversible ratchet, it delivers reliable performance in tight spaces. Wera 6006 Joker. The Wera 6006 Joker. Self-setting double spanner is a smart space-saving hand tool that replaces multiple traditional wrenches. Its parallel, smooth jaws automatically adjust to grip metric and imperial hex fasteners securely without guesswork. An integrated lever clamps the nut or bolt to prevent slipping and rounding. Built-in ratcheting on both ends enables fast, continuous turning without repositioning. With a low 30-degree return angle, it excels in tight spaces, making it ideal for professional mechanics and demanding DIY users, while boosting efficiency, precision, durability, comfort, versatility, and toolbox organization overall. Wera 7 516 VDE Kraftform. The Wera 7 516 VDE Kraftform. Safe torque speed torque screwdriver is a precision VDE insulated tool built for professional electrical work. Individually tested at 10,000 volts, it ensures safe operation up to 1000 volts. 5 selectable torque settings from 2.4 to 4.0 Newton meters deliver accurate fastening with a clear slip-over signal to prevent over-tightening. Its torque lock mode allows unrestricted loosening, while the ergonomic Kraftform handle and fast rotating sleeve enable quick fatigue-free screw driving using Wera VDE interchangeable blades. Wera 6007 Joker ring ratchet spanners. The Wera 6007. Joker ring ratchet spanners are long design combination wrenches, engineered for speed, precision, and control in tight spaces. Their innovative open-end jaw includes a holding function that securely grips nuts and bolts for easy one-handed use. A unique double hex geometry reduces the return angle to just 30 degrees. The ring end features an ultra-fine 80-tooth ratchet for smooth operation. Built from durable chromium molybdenum steel, each spanner also features Wera's color-coded Take It Easy size identification system. Wera 410 I VDE A RA. The Wera 41 0i VDE A RA is a professional VDE insulated T-handle adapter screwdriver with a built-in fine-toothed ratchet for 1/4 inch sockets, engineered for safe electrical work. Individually tested to 10,000 volts and certified for 1,000 volt use, it delivers confidence on live systems. The ergonomic T-handle transfers high torque, while the 4.5-degree ratchet angle speeds work in tight spaces. A fast rotating sleeve, secure ball lock, reversible switch, and compatibility with Wera VDE Zyklop sockets ensure efficiency, control, and safety for electricians, technicians, and demanding professional applications in modern installations worldwide. Wera Kraftform Kompakt Stubby Viens. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt Stubby one is a 19-piece multi-bit screwdriver, set built for tight spaces. Its ultra-short handle and compact design make it perfect for hard-to-reach areas, while the ergonomic Kraftform grip provides comfort and high torque transfer. The bit-holding handle uses a strong permanent magnet for secure bit retention and fast swapping. Included by torsion bits absorb peak loads, reducing wear and preventing tip damage. Color-coded Take It Easy bits simplify selection, and the set covers Phillips, Posidriv, Torex, Hex Plus, and slotted profiles for versatile use. Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE Big Pack Viens. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE Big Pack 1 is a premium 34-piece insulated screwdriver, set built for professional electricians. It includes 2 VDE certified handles and 32 interchangeable blades, covering nearly every common screw, profile and size. Each tool is individually tested at 10,000 volts to ensure safe use up to 1,000 volts, meeting IEC 60900 standards. The ergonomic Kraftform handles deliver comfort and high torque, while the color-coded blades and laser markings make identification quick. The set also features slim blades for deep access and comes neatly organized in a durable textile case for easy transport and storage. Wera Kraftform Kompakt 900 Set 1. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 900 Set 1 is a versatile 19-piece screwdriver system built to tackle stubborn fasteners with ease. Its manually activatable impact wrench function converts a hammer blow into powerful rotary force, delivering up to 25 Newton meters of loosening torque. Switch effortlessly between standard screwdriver and impact modes as needed. A hexagon bolster enables extra torque with a spanner, while hardened impact-ready bits ensure durability. The ergonomic Kraftform handle reduces fatigue, and the compact textile pouch keeps everything secure and organized. Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 7. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 7 is a compact 7-piece insulated screwdriver set built for safe electrical work up to 1000 volts. Each handle and blade is individually tested to IEC 60900 standards, ensuring maximum safety. Its interchangeable VDE blade system reduces tool clutter while boosting versatility. The ergonomic Kraftform handle provides comfort, high torque, and speed. Color-coded, take-it-easy blades, anti-roll protection, and a durable textile pouch make this set efficient, organized, and ideal for electricians and serious DIY users. Wera Toolcheck Plus VNs. The Wera Toolcheck Plus 1 is a remarkably compact 39-piece universal tool, set built for manual and power applications. Housed in a durable lockable case, it's ideal for mobile professionals and cyclists. The Zyklop Mini 1/4 inch bit ratchet features a 60-tooth mechanism and 6-degree return angle for tight spaces. Ergonomic Kraftform handle, Rapidaptor bit holder, bi-torsion bits, and metric Zyklop sockets deliver durability, precision, and fast tool identification. Color-coded take-it-easy markings and versatile adapters make this kit exceptionally efficient, organized, and reliable for everyday repair tasks worldwide use. Wera 837 I RA Kraftform. The Wera 837 I RA Kraftform is a VDE insulated screwdriver handle with a built-in fine-toothed ratchet mechanism designed for fast and safe work on electrical systems up to 1000 volts. Tested to IEC 60900 at 10,000 volts, it ensures reliable protection. Its 40-tooth ratchet provides a low 9-degree return angle for rapid screwdriving, and a switch allows easy selection of clockwise, counterclockwise, or locked mode. The ergonomic Kraftform Plus handle offers comfort and torque transfer, while the hexagonal base prevents rolling. It works exclusively with Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE blades. Wera Belt B VDE VNs. The Wera Belt B VDE 1 is a compact 10-piece insulated bit socket, set for 3/8 inch drives made for safe electrical work in tight spaces. Each tool is VDE certified and individually tested at 10,000 volts, ensuring safe use on systems up to 1000 volts. The sockets feature a holding function for secure, one-handed screw handling, and a 2-layer safety insulation that reveals a yellow warning core if damaged. Stored on a durable textile belt with a twist to unlock system, it offers easy access and portable organization for electricians and technicians. Wera Ball Grip Set 1 and 2. The Wera Ball Grip Set 1 and Set 2 are 9-piece screwdriver kits designed for maximum torque and comfort. Their unique spherical ball grip handles allow high axial pressure and greater torque transfer than traditional handles. The ergonomic Kraftform design combines hard and soft zones for speed, comfort, and reduced hand strain. Each tool features laser-roughened tips to prevent slipping and includes a screw gripper for one-handed operation. Color-coded handles and anti-roll bases make tool selection and use fast and easy. Set 1 includes Phillips, Torex, and slotted bits, while Set 2 replaces Phillips with Posidriv. Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 17 Universal 1. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 17. Universal 1 is a 17-piece insulated interchangeable blade. screwdriver set designed for safe electrical work up to 1000 volts. Each handle and blade is individually tested at 10,000 volts to meet IEC 60900 standards. The set includes 2 ergonomic VDE handles and 15 blades with multiple profiles, all stored in a compact pouch. The Kraftform design offers comfort and high torque, while the quick change blade system makes swapping tools fast and easy. Color-coded blades and anti-roll handles improve efficiency on the job. Wera 9 530 torque wrench set. The Wera 9 530 Torque wrench set is a 4-piece kit ideal for installing and repairing refrigeration systems, air conditioning, and heat pumps. It includes the Click Torque X7 wrench with a torque range of 10 to 100 Newton meters and plus or minus 4% accuracy, delivering both audible and tactile feedback when the correct torque is reached. The set also features 3 self-setting Joker insert spanners that automatically grip hex screws and bolts, each with a mechanical ratchet and a 30-degree return angle. A QR code provides quick access to correct torque values, and the kit comes in a compact textile case for easy storage and transport. Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400 is a compact 18-piece tool set built for heavy-duty fastening and chiseling tasks. It includes a robust screwdriver/chisel handle with a pound-through blade that transfers full hammer impact for loosening stuck screws or light mortising. The hex bolster allows extra torque using a wrench, while the ergonomic Kraftform handle ensures comfortable, high-torque use without blisters. With a magnetic 1/4-inch bit holder and 17 tough by torsion bits, this set is durable, versatile, and easy to organize in its compact pouch. Wera Kraftform Compact Simts. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 100 is a 52-piece screwdriver and bit set designed for both professionals and DIY users. It combines the ergonomic Kraftform handle with a versatile interchangeable bit system, covering almost all common screw profiles and sizes. The set includes a Rapidaptor quick release bit holder for fast one-handed bit changes, and tough by torsion bits that absorb peak loads for longer life. Bits are color-coded and size-stamped for easy identification, and everything is neatly stored in a durable hard shell case for portability and secure storage. Wera Astoni Nulanul Divini Zyklop Pocket Set Trees. The Wera 8009 Zyklop Pocket Set 3 is a compact 27-piece toolkit that combines a 3/8-inch ratchet, a 1/4-inch bit ratchet screwdriver, and an integrated bit magazine for maximum versatility in minimal space. The central Zyklop pocket ratchet features magnetic direct mounting for both sockets and bits, while its pivoting head locks into 5 positions for working in tight spots. With a fine 72-tooth mechanism, it offers a low 5-degree return angle for precise operation. The handle houses a swiveling bit magazine with 12 bits, and the set includes bi-torsion bits, a short extension, and 12 metric sockets, all stored in a durable textile case with a twist-to-unlock system and color-coded tool finder for quick access.